In this video, we will look at the bar replay mode on TradingView, how to actually use it. It's a bit tricky, and how to actually practice trading using it. So this is the chart of NVIDIA, and when you scroll up, you see here a sort of rewind looking icon. You see it says bar replay, click on it. Start new replay. So it opens a pane below. It says replay trading. Go here where it says select starting point, drop down and go to bar. You see there's 4 selections here. First available date, you start from the beginning of the chart, no point. Date, you have to put in a custom date range. And let's go with bar. So you see, when I move this scissors here, right and left, it's like it highlights the chart. Let's start from the breakout here, May 20th, 2024. So TradingView cut all that. Let's minimize this. TradingView cut all that area, and that's where our bar replay mode begins. So let's click here where it says replay speed. Let's go fast. 1 update per second. Interval is, why is this daily here when I have the weekly time frame? A bit weird. Auto select interval. I guess we'll figure it out. So this is the daily chart on TradingView, and I press play. Note it's 1 update per 1 second. So you see now every 1 second, let's click on auto, this chart is moving on its own. Every 1 second gives us 1 day of trading data. And TradingView created the bar replay mode so we can use it to see how that stock behaved in an attempt to learn more, practice our trading, hone in on our skills. And there's also a feature that we can use to actually buy and sell stocks while this is moving. Let's pause it and go to 4-hour interval and press play, see what happens. Understood. So this is the daily time frame, but every update is actually a 4-hour move. So if we make it a 1-hour move and make 3 updates per second, you see we can actually see how the candlestick would change every hour, even if it's a daily candlestick, which is great for actual real learning. You see here the chart had my own annotations on. Also a great point of practice because you see these levels here, and then you see price, how price behaves, reacts, crashes back down, reclaims the level, moves up, and so on. And you can do this for every stock, every market on TradingView. You can play with the updates, 10 updates per second. If I go to 4-hour, you see how faster it goes. And you can see the actual way it reacted on that level. Now let's pause it, reduce the updates per second, and let's actually try to trade this chart. So you go to the trading area, On the top navigation bar, it says here trade, click on it. Let's press play again. Let's buy 1 share of NVIDIA here. Immediately executes. Let's buy 100 shares. Let's sell them here. You see the market gapped up above the level now, it's moving. So you can continue to practice like this. So we sold our NVIDIA shares too early. Let's zoom out. Let's short some NVIDIA. This is pretty annoying. We're in the money because that was the peak. Will it break down from here? If you click on X here, you've closed the position. So, by the way, I didn't practice this. I don't even know where it was. So we shortened the video here. We covered here. Now it's September 2025. I went back to choosing a number of shares, you see, and now when you do that, you have the order hover crosshair on the TradingView charts. We said there were other starting points. You can do a random bar, and it just takes you somewhere random. It took us 20 years back. And if I just press play from here now, I don't know where I am. If I press play from here, you see it starts moving. And I can trade. I can buy or sell. Let's put the buy sell buttons here, by the way. Under the status line, we made a video about this. You just right click and you choose what you want to see. So I put the buy sell buttons back. So you can start practicing trading here. You can even enable indicator templates that you can use to trade. So this was the bar replay mode, how to enable it on TradingView, how to actually trade using a bar replay trading account. You can see here the bar replay, the bar mode icon, like a rewind, an incredible feature by TradingView. I should make more videos of this so we can actually train and practice specific technical formations, specific trading setups using exactly the bar replay mode on TradingView. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.